Hello guys, my name is Samira. I'm making this trendy kaftan dress with V shape in front, and I'm using this latest silk fabric, very colorful and girlish. I want to appeal to you guys to give me more views to encourage me. Please watch my videos, give it more watch time to support my channel. Kindly subscribe, give it a thumbs up and comment. Let us have conversation. You can turn on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new tutorials like this. You'll be the first to see it. Let's dive into today's tutorials, guys. Here is my latest silk fabric, 2 yard of it, and my small black Duchess fabric that I'm using for my sleeve. So I'll go ahead now to fold my fabric into two. Alright, I'm cutting the front piece first before I'll cut the back piece. So I have to fold it into two before taking the width of my fabric. So I'm going to go by 11 inch for the width of my dress that I'm making today. So I'm going to draw a straight line. So this straight line is going to guide me on how to take the length of my dress today. So my length of my dress, guys, is 56 inch. So I'll keep on marking 56 inch on both sides of the fabric. So I'm going by, I will mark 4 inch, okay? So I'm going to bring the depth of my neckline by 7 inch. Alright, so guys, don't forget my neckline that I mark, the front neckline is by 4 inch. So I'm bringing it down by 7 inch, that is the depth of my neckline. So my shoulder now, I'm going to measure 8 inch for that. Alright, so that's the 8 inch for my shoulder. For my half length, I will mark 15 inch. Okay, so that's for the shoulder first. So my half length, I'm going to mark 15 inch for that. So I'm going to use 1 inch to slope my shoulder. On my bust, I will mark 44 inch for that, and also add 1 inch for my allowance. I'm going by 42 inch for my waistline, and also add 1.5 inch for my allowance. Now I will curve my armhole before connecting all the marks together. So I'll connect the lines together. So I'm going to connect it down to my hemline. So let me shift it, guys. So I'm doing the connection now, going to take it down. So guys, don't forget to give this video more watch times. Another way for you to support this channel to grow. You can also give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this particular tutorial to watch and also learn from it. So guys, you can also comment. Let us know what you think about our tutorial. Like this particular tutorial, if you have any question, you can ask. We are here for you to answer you guys. So please keep on watching to see the fitness of this dress that we are making today. Don't forget, we are using this latest silk fabric to achieve this style, and it's 2 yards of it. And I'm going to also use the black Duchess for the sleeve of my dress that I'm making today. Don't forget, we are cutting this kaftan dress, and it's going to have V shape in front. The neckline is going to have V shape on it. So guys, keep on watching this particular tutorial, guys, and you can also click the red button under my video to subscribe now, guys. Please, you can pause and do that now. So we are cutting the front piece. So after cutting this particular front piece, we are going to use it to cut the back piece. So you can see that the style is very easy to cut. So if you don't understand it, all you need to do is for you to watch it again and again, so you are going to get it, so that you'll be able to cut your own by yourself after watching this particular tutorials that we are having today. And don't forget that I also have a similar tutorial on my channel that you can also watch. So you can also watch other styles that I have on my channel. So I'm bringing the back neckline. I'm going to bring it down by, so I'm marking 1.5 inch for the depth of my back neckline. Okay, so guys, so keep on watching to see the fitness of this style that we are making. It's a very simple style that we are cutting today. So, and I'm using 2 yards of this silk fabric to achieve this style. You can see how colorful it is. So I have my back piece now to cut. So what I'll do, I'll just lay my front piece that we just cut now. So I'll lay it on the back piece, then I'm going to just cut it out straight. You can see that it's not difficult. Alright, so because we have already made our measurement on the front fabric that we just cut before using it to cut the back piece that we are cutting now. Okay, so after this, we are going to cut our front neckline. Alright, I'm going to also show you guys on how to go about it, so that when making your own, you find it very easy to cut and sew it by yourself. So for me to cut my front neckline, that is the V shape, I need to pull it out first. So I will spread it, the fabric. Okay, remember we measured 7 inch, so I'm just using the 7 inch to give a V shape on it. You can see that the V shape is not in the middle of the fabric, so I will just use my chalk. So after that, I will just use my scissors now to cut it out. So you can see that the style is very easy to cut and sew by yourself. It's an easy style for you to cut now. This is my sleeve now, my simple sleeve. So I have folded the fabric into 2 pieces. So that's my length that I'm taking now, 12 inch. Okay, so I'll just connect the lines together. So I'm going to use 8 inch for the width. Then my armhole is by 1 inch. So I'll just give a curve for that. Then on my round sleeve, I'm going to measure 15 inch. Okay, so I'll just connect the lines together. Alright, so I'll just cut it out. So after cutting it, after joining my fabrics together, I will attach my sleeve on it. My latest silk kaftan dress with V-shape neck in the front will be ready for me to wear out, so that you guys can see the fitness of the V-shape kaftan dress that we are making today. So I have it now. So this is the outcome of our V-shape front neck kaftan dress that we just made now. Very beautiful. Guys, don't forget that I made use of 2 yards of this latest silk fabric to achieve this style. And guys, don't forget to give this video more watch time. You can subscribe, you can comment, let us know what you think about our tutorials. And guys, support this channel to grow. Please give me more watch time. Watch my tutorials, guys. It's another way for you to encourage me to do more. Please watch my tutorials down to the end, guys, and you can also turn on